Just apply some tape and it'll work like new. TV manufacturers don't want you to know this. Since I discovered this trick, I've never had this problem again. Did you know that most people throw away their TVs without even knowing that you can fix them with just some tape? That's right, today, I'm going to show you how to do it in a very simple way. Plus, you're going to save a lot of money. So stick with me because by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. All right, let's get started. I'm going to turn it on so you can see that it's really not working. As you can see, it turns on, but there's no picture. You can hear the audio, but the most important part isn't working. First, we're going to unplug it and take it off the stand. This will give us more room to work. If you have a TV that isn't working, don't throw it away. It's definitely worth trying this tip. I'm sure it'll help you a lot, and in the end, you'll thank me. On the back of the TV, we're going to remove these screws. Your TV might be a different brand, so be careful when opening it, and make sure all the screws are removed. But don't worry, the internal procedure is the same. All right, I've taken all the screws out. Now, let's open the back panel. Be very careful when pulling it off. This plastic is pretty fragile. This is the TV's electronic panel. I advise you not to touch anything because our bodies have electromagnetic energy that can affect the components. Just plug it in, and as you can see, these LED lights have turned on. This means the TV isn't fried, it just isn't displaying the picture. The key components here are these two white strips. They're known as flats, and they play a crucial role in transmitting the image to the screen. Using just my fingernail, I carefully remove the connection of this flat. Now, we're going to test the TV to see which one is faulty. I'm going to turn it back on, and you'll notice that the screen lights up, but there's still no picture. If this flat were the faulty one, the left side of the screen would be completely white due to the disconnection. So, we need to test the other flat too, to make sure we diagnose the problem accurately. Let's carefully reconnect the flat. It's essential to be gentle to avoid any damage. The issue must be with this flat. We're going to repeat the procedure and carefully remove it. Now let's test this flat. I'm going to turn the TV on, and you'll see that the LED lights turn on right away. This means the TV is in good shape. The only issue is the picture. But don't worry, I'm going to fix that for you right now. As I mentioned, if the flat is damaged, the screen will turn white. This flat is compromised and isn't transmitting the picture to the screen. But don't worry, it's a quick and effective fix. With just some tape, I'll have this problem solved in seconds, and the picture will be back to normal. This small piece of tape will be enough to get our TV working like new again. These flats usually burn out at the ends, so we're going to strategically place the tape right at the start to ensure a perfect connection and restore optimal function. Now, just reconnect it. There you go, let's turn the TV on. And now, the moment of truth. Let's see if it really works. And if, like me, you're also a TV enthusiast, drop the word "liked" down below to show we're on the same page. Look at that, it's working perfectly now. However, we still don't have the full signal because the TV is disconnected from the antenna. But look, with the remote, I can show you that everything is already functioning properly. I hope you enjoyed this and that this tip helps you out. We're in this together, and I'll see you next time. My friends, take care.